Smart Edge FX here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video on my channel. So let's get to the charts. All right, I'll be starting from the daily time frame to the lower time frame. That's how I run my analysis, because what I normally do is analyze from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, because you don't want to be taken unaware by the major move. So first of all, whenever I get on the chart, I first of all determine what is the trend. What is my trend? Like here now, the trend is bullish, because you can clearly see that the MXCD is showing us a bullish trend. Okay, it is a bullish trend. The context is a bullish trend, so we should be looking to buy, right? But what if I tell you you cannot be buying at this level, even if the trend is bullish? But this is not the right place to buy. Yeah, most people make a lot of mistakes of, okay, the trend is bullish, I should just buy. Yes, you should buy, but at a very good price. Currently, now market is at an overbought condition. That is by MXCD oscillator predictor. This is market is at overbought, and also we are at a confluence resistance. A confluence resistance. So this is just not a resistance level, it is a confluence resistance. And what it suggests is a pullback from this level before major move to the upside. It's not as if market cannot just break this level and keep going up. No, but most times when market comes to these kind of levels, it retraces to the downside before major moves. And let me point another thing out here. We have this market tested this level here, broke it around here, tested it here, and now it is around this level again. So what I will be looking for on the lower time frame is for a sell setup around this level. Just to wait a minute. A sell setup around that level. That's what I'll be looking for on the lower time frame. So let me take you guys to the 4-hour time frame so I can show you some other interesting things. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Okay. You can clearly see here that we have a butterfly from this high to this low. Once it's one it of this extension from this high to this low. And butterfly is a reversal pattern, and it's forming around this top. So this market can reverse from this level. But we should not just be selling just because market has hit a major resistance or support level. We should always wait for confirmation. There should always be a trigger. So what I normally do is move my time frame to the lower time frame and look for a sell setup. That's as simple as that, okay? Because this year we don't agree for them all. So what we're going to be doing is, move to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Normally I use this 15 minutes for my entry. So this way I will be looking for sell setup to get into this market to sell, then get to the, one thing again that I almost forgot to share with you guys is that we are anticipating a reversal pattern around here, and what I can clearly see around here is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. We all know this is it. This is the left shoulder, this is the neckline, and this is the head. Okay, and now a pullback around this level before major move to the upside. So it is an inverse head and shoulder, and it's a reversal pattern. So it is a big one. This is something we should be monitoring as time goes on. So now we should be looking to sell this market around here. So I'll be waiting. If I get maybe a butterfly pattern, maybe a butterfly or head and shoulder or tree drive, if I get any of my triggers around here, I'll be getting into sell to the downside. So let's see how what the market does, because we will just react, we don't predict the market. So see you guys next in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.